15 English sentences made with 5 words. 15 English sentences made with 5 words. 1. Opportunity. Learning English is an opportunity. Learning English is an opportunity. 2. Confidence. Confidence. Everyone should increase their confidence. Everyone should increase their confidence. 3. Address. Don't you know your address? Don't you know your address? 4. Ability. Each person has secret ability. Each person has secret ability. Ability. 5. Abroad. Immigrants don't return from abroad. Abroad. Immigrants. Immigrants don't return from abroad. 6. Abuse. Abuse destroys trust and relationships. Abuse destroys trust and relationships. 7. Abandon. 7. Abandon. Abandon. Abandon all fear and worry. Abandon all fear and worry. 8. Abdomen. Abdomen. Rajiv's abdomen hurts very badly. Rajiv's abdomen hurts very badly. Hurts very badly. 9. Abhor. 9. Abhor. Abhor. I abhor wrongdoers very much. I abhor wrongdoers very much. I abhor wrongdoers. Wrongdoers very much. 10. Able. 10. Able. Able people solve problems easily. Able people solve problems easily. 11. About. Scientists know much about science. Scientists know much about science. 12. Absence. Emergency caused Yamam's absence. Emergency caused Yamam's absence. 13. Absolute. 13. absolute. The boy showed absolute confidence. The boy showed absolute confidence. Confidence. Absorb. Absorb. Plants absorb water from soil. Plants absorb water from soil. 15. Assess. Access. Students have access to library. Students have access to library.